Boom! Guys, look at this. We're going to be using the Instant Pot Duo Plus right here. And unlike a lot of reviews there, we're going to be making something. I actually feed a lot of rescue cats out there, and this thing is a godsend. I just put all of the ingredients inside. It's a one-pot cooking station. I won't need to saute, I don't need to bake. Heck, I don't need to pressurize. I just place everything inside and let the magic begin with the Instant Pot Plus. So this is the Instant Pot Plus Duo. So you got start, you got cancel. This thing has a lot of things it can do. It can pressurize, it can slow cook, you can cook rice, you can steam, you can even bake cakes, sous vide, and make yogurt. And godsend saute. So everything in the pot, you just place it inside and it's sealed. Has a rubber gasket, as you can see right there. And this thing is stainless steel. None of that non-stick stuff. So we're going to be using this, one pot, place everything inside. The ingredients we're going to be needing is 700 grams of sawdust meat. So this one you can go to any butcher shop that you have, request it from them, they'll give it to you. And it will always be a good price. Next, one big carrot, right there. Okay, I'll be peeling this off. 500 grams of squash. Let's cut it up. 100 grams of squash. I have to just clean it out. So you got 3/4 cup of rice. Put it inside. Then you just wash it. So we got the pot here. So the nice thing about Instant Pot, you just put all the ingredients inside. No problem. Put the squash inside. Yeah, it has big chunks, small chunks. I just want to show you that everything's going to get soft under pressure. So I don't care how they look, because the Instant Pot will cook them all at once. Okay. Got the sawdust meat here, frozen. It's okay, no problem. Put it in. Next, we're going to be placing the rice. I'm going to throw the water because I've cleaned it already. Okay, put it there. Inside, no problem. Then we'll be placing some water inside. Okay, 3.5 cups. 1, 2, 3.5. We're not done yet. No salt, no pepper, because this is for cats. It's for dogs as well. Okay, you place malunggay, also known as moringa, inside. This is very good for them. Helps in their digestion. Helps in their vitamins as well. There, all done. Okay. After a while, it reaches actually the cooking stage. You can see that there are lines here. So the preheating has 3 steps to it. The cooking has 3 steps as well. We're almost on the last step right here. And it actually keeps you a warning that don't open it because it's pressurized. That's the great thing about this. So we'll wait. So this one is that we're going to leave it alone and let it cook by itself. One of the nice things about this is that it can actually unpressure itself. Then you just twist it, comes out. Check it out here. So we started with frozen sawdust. We started with frozen uncooked rice. We started with squash that's quite hard. And everything right now is soft, cooked. All mixed together already with your spoon and fork. Very easy, simple to do. And the meat's already incorporated into the rice, into the squash, into the moringa. And the cats, they love this. This is the great thing about the Instapot, is that it's already one pot. You cook everything in the pot. Okay, the nice thing about this is that you can freeze the food. It's very simple. Just place it inside a container. You can meal prep this. So let this reach the room temperature, then place it inside the freezer.